What's up, traders? Matt from the Trade Brigade here doing a technical analysis on ticker symbol SOFI for SoFi Technologies. On the left-hand side, we have the daily time frame, and on the right-hand side, the 30-minute intraday time frame. First things first, this will, of course, be an update. We talked about it just the other day, and ironically enough, we missed the charter announcement by about, 30 minutes, and you guys jumped all over the comments section there. Regardless, we're here now. What are we looking at going forward? Well, obviously, with the good news, it has powered the stock higher. However, the broader forces of the marketplace that I'm talking about, the SPY and the QQQ, even the Russell 2000, are pulling significantly lower, which has sort of overpowered even the best news here inside of SoFi. You can see we did resist at the 50 SMA on the daily. We're also resisting at the top end of this prior daily range being defined by that white box right there. It just, to me, it's not like we've made significant progress inside of SoFi. If I scrunch this up, a lot of people are still underwater here, noting that we're just kind of chopping around this low section right around in here. Unless you literally nailed the all-time low here in SoFi on the pullback when I made the video that day, then again, most people are probably still feeling the pain of being underwater in their position. Now, it's not to say that the stock condition can't improve here, but it is to say that, it's not like anything dramatic has happened from a structural perspective as of right now. The main thing you would want to see happen to improve the situation would be, okay, we need to break up and over 16, and we need to hold above 16, starting to build a base of value down here. The next one could potentially build up there to your next resistance, 19 roughly, and then we'll move forward and upward from that. Until that happens, I'm not really seeing it from the daily time frame inside of SoFi. If we take a look at the 30-minute, we can certainly read into the price action a little bit more here. And again, I can illustrate clearly that we had more than a 50% retracement. If I do something like this with the Fibonacci's, on the pullback, boom, there's your 50%, did not hold into the end of the day. And in the post-market, we're even lower than that, 1460s roughly, which is here close to the low of the pullback instead of the close, which was right on 15. So all things considered, the more time we spend underneath the 61.8, the more bearish the outlook becomes, looking for the 100% retracement, and then ultimately 1355. That was the low end of this kind of range right here. So I would love to see, for the bulls at least, some upward progress be made in this sense. Can we pull back, hold that as a higher low, and then reattempt the top end of the range? Then we would have low, higher low, maybe on the subsequent test for an equal high, we get the breakout and start making some more progress to the upside. It would require the broader marketplace really turning around though and getting back into gear to the upside. So that's what I'm seeing in SoFi as of right now. It's probably a patience play, noting it's dead in the middle of this range right here. Use 15 as a pivot. If we open above, fantastic. Look for reattempts of 16 for higher after that. If we open below, it's all eyes on 1533. Can we produce a daily higher low or not? That's going to wrap up the video. If you enjoyed it today or learned anything new, let me know in the comments section or by giving the video a thumbs up. Don't forget our main channel is linked in the description. And all of that being said, I wish you a green trading week.